You see this? Custom sneakers. This is what pops up, man. A year ago, 9 months ago, a year ago, 3 years ago. What's good, gang? It's your boy Sierato. Welcome to Kick Talk, the chill place for my views and opinions on whatever is going on in the world. That includes, of course, at a priority, custom sneakers and anything customs related. So if you've got custom content you want me to react to, view, watch, get my opinion on, give you some tips, pointers, whatever it is, send that link, drop that link in the comments down below, and I will add it to the list of what's coming up next. I don't know if you guys noticed, but custom sneaker work seems to be disappearing rapidly on YouTube. It's kind of working on TikToks and Reels and stuff. Obviously there's people that are doing their thing over there for that have, you know, decent response now, but a lot of the heavy hitters, a lot of people that I popped up with, a lot of that stuff is just gone. They're all doing different things or on to different platforms, and I realized that the response and the algorithm, it just isn't there for this kind of stuff. I mean, literally go look at custom sneakers, type it into YouTube. Let's do it. Hold on, let's do it. Come on over here with me. You see this? Custom sneakers. This is what pops up, man. A year ago, 9 months ago, a year ago, 3 years ago. All right, we got 3 weeks here, but look, the lowest view count yet. That's just a short. But yeah, man, I mean, look at this. There's nothing. A year. All right, let's do this. It's the real test. Boom, drop it to recently uploaded. This is what's dropped. Okay, we got some little baby shorts here, which seems to be the only thing anybody does anymore. And yeah, that's it. Like, look at this. There's no all shorts. Boom, just him. All shorts. That's not even, I don't know what that is. Like, come on, man. Like, the algorithm's got nothing. I mean, who would do custom shoes and not tag custom shoes? I mean, this is all that's popping. Just a bunch of reels, man. A bunch of reels, which explains why it's so hard to get any traction on that shit when you post it, because that's all there is. This is the only thing people see. There's no real long form content as far as it goes at all. So if you guys have anything at all that you want me to comment on or respond to, please send it my way. I want to see it, because right now I got to expand my avenue to just art in general. So that brings us to what we got today. We're over on the art tab over here, and I seen this here. I seen bro with the blue hair. Obviously he's a big YouTuber in that kind of Mr. Beast showy kind of shit. Sensory overload kind of real crispy clean saturation shit. But I don't know, I guess he's dabbling into some kind of art or something over here. Maybe that's his thing. I can't remember exactly. That might be part of his thing, I think. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see what he's doing, what he's got going on. If I like it, if I don't. Let's see. I'm sure the video is crispy. I mean, he got 1 million views on it, so let's see.
Today, we're gonna make crochet art. We've made art out of all sorts of mediums in the past, but today, we're making art using the most requested medium from you guys, crochet. And whichever one of my friends has the best crochet art after 2 days wins $10,000. And the losers have to eat bugs.
Nice ass crib.
It's disgusting. So who's gonna make the best crochet art? And who's gonna have to eat bugs? We'll have to find
I always like to diagnose my YouTube videos when I'm watching and see, like, what are these people doing? So that's the stakes, that's the drama, huh? We're winning money and we're having to eat bugs? Okay.
So much money.
But we're gonna start
Seems a lot more like a Mr. Beast video than an art video, but okay.
So everyone line up.
Come on.
First come, first serve. So if you're last in line, you get last pick. I don't even
Going in with this fucking music.
Don't really care. Somebody locked the door.
I didn't lock it, I shut it.
Guys, so over here we have a ton of yarn for your crochet art. However, each ball of yarn is gonna cost you $500. How many yarns do we need?
What?
Take your pick. That is 5, so that's gonna cost you $2,500. Do you know what you're doing?
Oh my God, wait, David.
Again, this is just a Mr. Beast video, bro.
Wait, I need the little balls. Hold on. Where's the little one?
Okay.
$4,000, you have $6,000.
I've already lost interest. I'm good off of that. Can we get to some actual, just straight artwork? Is that cool? Can we do that? No, just, what the fuck? Where's the art at? Repainting Cheap Halloween Masks. Okay, that seems like something. Let's do that. Okay. Shit, if this works out, I might gotta try one of these. Yo, that's really actually a cool mask though once you pull that shit out. Cut that top part off. Make it like a, ooh, cool carnage. Yeah, take that top part off, make it like a Ghost of Tsushima, you know, I forget what they call them, an Oni mask. Tough. Damn, I might really have to try this. Bro giving me ideas. This is like Hollywood makeup. Oh, what are we doing here? Oh. Wow. I just learned something. I don't know what that masking shit is, that Play-Doh is that he just used, but that's cool. Never thought to do that. See, and this he can do without having to mask it off because it's a lighter color. It's transparent, obviously going over that black and that white. It's just giving it that kind of tooth decay look. Really cool. Really cool. Okay, now I don't know what we're doing. This is a different, like, okay. Ah. Interesting. Definitely way cooler. Alright, Five Nights FNAF. We got some FNAF. Oh, the eyeballs. That hurt. Oh, be careful doing that shit. You gotta be a professional. Stab the hell out of yourself doing that. Alright, so he's just fully taking this whole thing out. Interesting. Wow, okay. Did not expect him to go with the full fabric leg. This is quality. Damn. I'm gonna have to hit him up. I might need one of these. This is tough. So these are streamers or something. Yeah, these are fire. Bro, again, you gotta stop holding your fingers on the back end of that, bro. I know you done stabbed yourself before. I know it's happened. Because I've done that, so I know it's happened. Oh, it's like seeing the different ways other people mask with stencils and pre-made stuff they reuse. Obviously, this guy knows how to make perfect circles with stuff. Very cool. I would have just painted it, but very cool. I guess I'm lazy. Okay, background track. Okay. See, the difference in textures is very important, just to give you that perceived value when your customer picks it up and looks at it, man. Like, I'm trying to tell you, people see different shit like that laid over, they automatically think it costs money. That's dope. Way nicer, but still looks reasonable. Okay. What are we doing with this one? Making Ghost Rider. I want to know what this attachment is that he's got that does these sparkles like that. Speckles. Sparkles, speckles, sparkles, speckles. Gotta get in there nice and deep with that shadow work. Make those blacks real black. Helps that contrast really pull out the the intricacy of the detail, the design. Sure, he's probably gonna go back and maybe wipe those teeth out, maybe. Yeah, he's. Oh, okay. I instantly know. Okay. Cool. Very cool. Let's see it. Let's see it. Fire. Go get He-Man. Fire. Uh-oh. Should have started with that one. All right, so what, we're stripping stuff off? What are we soldering? I guess he's just etching it, okay. Interesting. I guess it is plastic. I would have figured that out eventually. It's a cool way to definitely texture it. Okay, now what are we doing? He's gonna what? Peel that back off? Oh man, the tedium. The tedium, brother. Very cool, but you feel like you could have just did that with silver paint over top. Save yourself a lot of time, but still, I like the effort. Yep, always gotta touch up like that. Show the people the touch-ups. Yep, just add that shadow, make it look realistic. I like that. Would have did exactly that. My boy got all the materials. Yeah, definitely cooler. I might have done a little bit less like scoring, but still cool. Very cool. Okay, that looks like shit. So yeah, let's see it. But we already know we can do these. Wow, big difference just sharpening the teeth, man. You'd never think something that simple would make that big a difference, but definitely did. Wow. I definitely need one of these. I'm gonna go look, yeah, see Halloween's coming up. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys wanna see me do one of these for a little video. I think that's the only time I'm gonna do any art videos on this channel maybe now, is whenever you guys request something, so let me know what you're looking to see. But otherwise, I've got a very special new channel coming up that's gonna have all my artwork on it. Doing a little experiment to see on a brand new channel if maybe I get a little more love from the algorithm, Jesus. But we're gonna see. It ain't gonna have nothing to do with me, nothing to do with Sierato. No tags, no connection, no nothing. We're gonna see. There's that inside of the mask he loves so much. Gotta get that in there. See, I think these help with the overall look for sure, but I feel like visibility-wise, it definitely would kill it. Like, I'd rather just leave the eye holes the way they were. This definitely looks way better. I just want to know, can you actually see out of that shit or no? Like, I don't think so, right? But otherwise, yeah, crispy, bro. Crispy, crispy. How much time we got in this? Oh, okay. Crispy, crispy, crispy. I fuck with it. Who is this? All right, Steven Richter. I fuck with it. You've been subbed, my guy. Banger. Now, if you guys enjoyed that content, hit that sub button for me. Hit the like button if you haven't already done it. And of course, go into the comments and let me know what you think about today's topic. Then check out the video you see on screen for you. I got another banger for you right there. Oh, and hit me on socials too. Make sure you stay up to date with everything I got dropping on small screens. Catch you guys on the next one.